siku ya nyani kufa, miti yote huteleza. If you notice on the 34A, the UDA agent, the second agent, signed the form on the 7th of August, 2022, before the election. Before the election. I repeat, before the election. The other one as well, perhaps might have signed it on the 7th, but it's not clear. So that's all we wish to say.
While at it, Council, just before you go back, and when did the other agent sign?
It looks like 7th, it looks like 9th. Only the IBC and Mr. Chebukati can tell us. It is there.
Yeah, before they explain, they would have to have something to explain.
We have let it go in.
This form, from the naked eye, of course, appears to have been signed by both agents on the same date. And the same date is 07.
Oh, 07 of 08.
07 of 08.
Yes, indeed.
See, well, I thought the point you were making was that the second one signed before the election. As though the first one, if I could just finish,
okay.
As though the first one had signed on a different date.
No, our point is, and has always been, these forms may have been manufactured elsewhere, before, well after voting, and they all arise one day and they are counted. It is the mess that is IBC, and it is the mess that is the 2022 presidential election that we have been emphasizing.